All right, so we've got our slide here, and I've added a little Mickey Mouse up there in the corner just to kind of jazz it up a little bit. I want to bring your attention to this little section right down here. This little section right here is used for presenter notes. So this would be the information that I would have that I would maybe put out, but this information would not be shown on my PowerPoint presentation. So this are my notes that have to do with this particular slide. Okay, so let's go ahead and add another slide. We'll insert a new slide. Okay, and we will we'll just keep going with the whole hidden Mickey thing. And I tell you what, instead of me having to retype it all over again, I can go to the original one and I can just kind of click on that and I can send it forward, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But I have a new picture I want to post on, so let me go ahead and put that picture up, and we will crop it a little bit. It's kind of big, and I will put that over here, and maybe I'll just leave it right here. Now let's keep our title going here. So I'm going to click on this, and what I'll do is I'll hit Command C, or I can right click and hit copy. Boom. And I can just click right up here and hit paste. So there's my title. It's there all over again. And if I want to keep the continuity, I can bring this guy over the same way. Copy and come on over here, and we'll do paste. And so I've got a little continuity going on here. So here I got another type of hidden Mickey. This prop in the Indiana Jones ride actually has a set of Mickey Mouse ears. And when you go to Disneyland and get Mickey Mouse ears, they will embroider your name. So he's got the name Bones embroidered there. So I'm going to grab my fonts for my text, and I'm just going to bring this over here too. And that way, I've got a little bit of consistency. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the words, but at least everything will be, the same size and the same consistency. So I'll say some are obvious and others not so obvious. They're found in rides, on paintings, on decorations, and on buildings. All right, so here we've got, some information. And this is basically how you do PowerPoint. All right, so here we've got this slideshow. Now you can always check and see how your slideshow is going to look by coming over where it says slideshow, clicking on slideshow, and you hit either from start or from current slide, and you can see how the slideshow goes. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like. All right, there's my title slide. Boring. Okay, here's my second slide. Okay, okay, that's not too bad. Here's my third slide. That's not too bad. But can we do something to spice it up a bit? Maybe put a little pizzazz into it, Let's see what we can do. First of all, let's talk about backgrounds and themes, all right? So I can come to this section right here called themes, and I can select some sort of a color scheme, some sort of theme, and it'll, just add a little bit more pizzazz to this slideshow. And there's several different themes you can select. I'm rolling through here, and I see all sorts of different things we can choose. I guess I should just choose one of them, perhaps. I don't know. But we'll go ahead and we'll just do this little color theme right here. And now it has changed some of my formatting, so I might have to go back and see how things look. Let's look at this. That hasn't changed that much. That actually looks kind of nice like that. That hasn't changed that much either. we might need to change the color. So we select this theme, which I've just selected a background theme. I can live with that. All right, so we just might have to make a few, few little corrections here. And come over here and take a look at this. All right, we'll bring it down.